The marriage of Leah and Tyler is more than just the union of two people in love. It's the joining of two families, two sets of friends, and two patterns in life. So as important as this ceremony is, the foundation of your marriage was formed long before we ever came here today. And that is the love that the two of you share.
Leah, my best friend, my love, my everything. October 22nd, 2011. This was the day our journey started. Those first few months, we went from two individuals that didn't know each other to feeling like we had already spent a lifetime together. Your smile, personality, and humor were irresistible.
Tyler, nearly 7 years ago, I fell in love with your smile and your humor. Today, I still love those things about you. You are my best friend. You love me through thick and thin, good and bad, and no matter how difficult life seems to get, I can still find comfort with you.
From the very beginning, I knew we would be standing here today. I knew I wanted everything about you to be a part of my everyday life. I knew that we would spend the rest of our lives together and experience this adventure called life.
We have all loved in our lifetimes, and in this moment, we're reminded that the ability to love is the very best part of our humanity. And that's the concept that brings us here today. It's a time to pause, to look back and smile at all the moments that brought you here. And it's a time to look ahead and all the moments that are still to come. So I'm here today, we're all here today, because we want those moments for the two of you. We're here to hope with you, to support you, to be proud of you, and to remind you that love isn't happily ever after. Today is a celebration. It's a celebration of love, of commitment, of friendship, of family, and of these two people who are in it forever. You don't have to have a ceremony to have a marriage. And when you think about it, this whole experience is a little weird, right? Two of you are standing up here looking fancy, and they're all holding flowers, and you're being stared at by pretty much everyone who has meant anything to you in the past 20-something years. So why do we do it? Well, the marriage ceremony has been an important feature across nearly every culture, religion, generation, and society. We have thousands of important moments throughout our lives, but this one is regarded as one that is so critical that we acknowledge its special status by sharing it with others. Despite all of our differences, love is what we all share. It's the great unifier, our one universal truth, that no matter who we are or where we come from, or what we believe in, we know this one thing. Love is what we're doing right. So that's why the both of you are standing here. Love is the experience of writing your own story. It's not one moment. It's not even this moment today, but it's every moment. It's big moments like saying, I love you for the first time. But mostly it's a million little ones that come in between the big moments. These everyday moments fuse together to create one big experience. And even though this experience is so incredible, words, they fail us when we try and explain it. And that's just the way it is with love. It's meant to be felt and not described. You're about to make promises to each other that you intend to keep. You're going to vow to take care of each other, to stand up for one another. You're vowing to be there. You're teaming up and saying to the other, every experience I'm going to have from this moment forward, I want you to be a part of.
With all of my love, I take you today to be my wife. I promise to enjoy and work through the many adventures and obstacles life has in store with us. I promise to love you through the good and the bad. I promise to always be your best friend and protector. I promise to help you accomplish all of your biggest dreams. And I promise to always give you respect, honesty, and unconditional love. I pledge to you these commitments from the bottom of my heart for as long as we both shall live.
Looking at us now, I'm in awe. I'm in awe of how much we have grown together, and in awe of where we are now, and in awe of the thought of spending the rest of my life with you. With all my love, I choose you to be my husband. I promise to always respect and support you, to encourage and inspire you, to laugh with you, to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle, to love you unconditionally, and to share life with you throughout the years. I will always be honest with you, kind, patient, and forgiving. But most of all, I promise to be a true and loyal friend to you. I vow this today, tomorrow, and forever. I love you.
You've both chosen to wear rings as a reminder of those promises. People often say the wedding bands are a perfect circle with no beginning and no end. But these rings did have a beginning. It's the process of making something beautiful where there was once nothing at all. And so as you look at these rings over the years, I hope you remember that.
With this ring,
I marry you.
I marry you.
And bind my life to yours.
And bind my life to yours.
It is a symbol of my eternal love.
It is my symbol of my eternal love.
My everlasting friendship.
My everlasting friendship.
And the promise of all my tomorrows.
And the promise of all my tomorrows.
With this ring,
I marry you.
I marry you.
And bind my life to yours.
And bind my life to yours.
It is a symbol of my eternal love.
It is a symbol of my eternal love.
My everlasting friendship.
My everlasting friendship.
And the promise of all my tomorrows.
And the promise of all my tomorrows.
Do you, Tyler, vow to be Leah's one and only, endure with her, listen and nurture her, fight for her and be true to her, help her succeed, be her constant equal, no matter what tough times you face?
I do.
Do you, Leah, vow to be Tyler's one and only, endure with him, listen and nurture him, fight for and be true to him, help him succeed, and be his constant equal, no matter what tough times you face?
I do.
Now both of you. Do you, Tyler and Leah, vow to be each other's partner from this day forward? Do you vow to bring out the best in one another, share your happiest moments together, and love each other absolutely for the rest of this lifetime and whatever may come next?
We do.
We do.
I have the honor to present to all of you for the very first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Nicholson. Tyler, you may kiss your bride.
Over and Something perfectly was spinning around like a child. Oh, and all that you are good for my heart. Something rare, something strong, stands against all the odds. Love that blooms in the dark. Something perfectly was spinning around like a child. Oh, and all that you are good.
The two of you fell in love by chance, but you're here today because you're making a choice. You both are choosing each other. You've chosen to be with someone who enhances you, who makes you think, makes you smile, and makes every day a little bit brighter, especially today.
You are good for my heart.
I see you in the in crowd. I still see you all alone though. I know that it's a big town, but we could get away. When I hit your phone, what you mean you're busy? I know we got something going on. I just wanna show you, I just wanna know you. I can't wait much longer for you. Won't you take my hand and take my heart? I just want for you to hear me out. Be alone in the city. You look good, you look pretty. That's why I can't help it, I can't love make decisions. Make it good with the picture. And I just can't help it, I can't help it, no. Why you watching the ground? Why you acting so nervous? Do you feel it now? Because I can't let it go. You're on my brain, you're on my mind. This could be what we've been trying to find. Cause every second I'm not with you, I be thinking about you, dreaming about you, thinking it's our time, we've got nothing to lose. So baby, let your hair down. Take me where I've never been before. We alone in the city. You look good, you look pretty. That's why I can't help it, I can't love make decisions. Make it good with the picture. And I just can't help it, I can't help it, no. I just need your loving. I just need your time. I just need your body next to mine. Make the bed shake, move like an earthquake. I just need your loving. I just need your time. I just need your body next to mine. Baby, for tonight, let's just go. Let me show you. Let me show you what I've been dreaming of. Yeah. We alone in the city. So good, so pretty.
And even though we describe love in different ways, and even though love can look different from one person to the next, we all know it when we see it, and we see it here today.
I can't help it, I can't help it, no.